Friends, architects, consultant engineers, HVAC consultants, and students of MEP. Uh, Welcome back once again into VK Jansarki MEP classes. In this particular module, we'll be learning about expansion devices used in HVAC systems. This shows the thermostatic expansion type valve known as TXV or TEV, most widely used in the commercial HVAC systems. Uses a sensing valve to control refrigerant flow depending on superheat at evaporator outlet. It ensures better efficiency, prevents liquid refrigerant from entering into the compressor, and third, suitable for varying load. This is the thermostatic valve. Friends, the diagram on the right hand side shows the electronic expansion valve. Characteristic features are controlled by electronic sensor and microprocessor. Second, it provides precise refrigerant flow control based on load and superheat. Third, widely used in the modern VRF or VRV systems, large chillers, precision cooling applications. Uh, most more efficient but costlier than TXVs. Friends, now we are dealing with automatic constant pressure expansion valve, in short known as AEV or AXV. This so the picture is shown on the right hand side top. An automatic expansion valve is a metering device in the refrigeration and air conditioning system that maintains a constant pressure within the evaporator. It does this by regulating the flow of refrigerant entering the evaporator, ensuring constant, ensuring efficient heat exchange and preventing issues like overflooding or starvation due to evaporative coil. The characteristic features are maintains constant evaporator pressure by adjusting refrigerant flow. Second, mainly used in systems with steady loads. Third, not suitable for variable load application as there is a risk of liquid carryover. Now this diagram shows functionally how the automatic expansion valve works. The liquid coming from the refrigerant in the condenser comes like this. It is strained here and then it enters a chamber in which uh, a diaphragm controls the functioning of this one, and this is preloaded with a spring pressure, and on the top there is an adjusting screw. After getting expanded, the liquid is getting out from here to evaporator. Friends, we are discussing the fifth type, float type expansion valve. Float type expansion valves, also known as float valves, are type of expansion devices used in refrigeration and air conditioning system. They regulate the flow of refrigerant by maintaining a constant liquid level in the evaporator. There are two main types: high side float valve and low side float valve, each designed to operate at different points in the refrigeration cycle. This type of valve is commonly used in flooded evaporator systems. Float valve, located at the high pressure side of the system, typically after the condenser and before the expansion valve. It maintains a constant liquid level in the condenser or a separate receiver. At refrigerant, as refrigerant condenses, the liquid level rises and the float mechanism opens the valve, allowing the liquid refrigerant to flow to evaporator. This type of valve is less common in modern systems. Diagrammatically, you can see here the low side float valve. Low side float valve, located on the low pressure side of the system, typically at the outlet of high side, the evaporator offside of the evaporator, maintains a constant liquid level in the evaporator. As refrigerant evaporates, the liquid level drops and the float mechanisms open the valve, allowing more refrigerant to enter into evaporate. Friends, the last diagram here shows a hand or manual expansion valve. These are the simplest expansion device where flow of liquid, that is refrigerant, uh, is controlled manually. With few exceptions, the manual or hand-operated valves are obsolete and are not applied in modern systems. Manually adjustable needle valve or valve to control the refrigerant flow, used mainly for system balancing, testing and charging, not for automatic operation. Friends, thanks you for patient observation of my presentation in this particular mode.